Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Ajala Abiodun. I'm your career coach for today. Oh, you see, we are living in a country where nothing works. Nothing is actually working in this country, but out of not working, we still have to work it out. So many girls are really facing this issue of getting a job. My advice is when you're looking for a job, life might not give you what you want at times. Many of us want to work in oil and gas, and instead of you waiting for oil and gas job, you have graduated like 3 years ago, teaching job comes your way, you rejected it, A3 job comes your way, you rejected it, this job, that job, you keep on rejecting those jobs. And then you grow in order. Like I always said, when you're growing, your experience needs to be growing with you. See, let's take for instance now, I'm dressing good, you guys are admiring me. What if I've done a cleaning job for today? I dress my suit and I walk out. Nobody knows. I can talk to any kind of person in town. And if at all I don't tell someone I'm a cleaner, how will he even reduce anything in my body? No. See, let me tell you, if you get a job or a cleaning job, there's no crime doing that job. If you've been waiting for a job all this while and job is not coming, because the fact that somebody call you a cleaner make you feel bad, then package yourself, call yourself a facility manager. In your CV, write facility manager. In your CV, you can write maintenance officer. You can even do a complimentary card for yourself. Serious, you can do a complimentary card. And then you package yourself. And that doesn't mean that you do a cleaning job forever. As a cleaner or as a facility manager or a maintenance officer, you can still apply for a job of inventory officer till you find your feet. Because see, guys, people are tired of people that beg them for money. Our friends cannot give us money forever. You can say family is everything, friends are everything, but for how long will they keep on feeding you? Bills have to be paid. You need to brush your teeth. If you can brush your teeth in this economy, I think that's the first step. Before you know, you find something to eat. Any job that can be giving you 1 naira, 2 naira, don't allow your friend to dictate the pace for you. You see, like the environment we are living in Abuja here now, many of us are hustlers. We are hustlers. How many people stay in Abuja? The structure, the building, the ministry, the government. Majority of people stay outskirts of the town. Don't allow that to discourage you, the odor, or maybe the go slow. Just keep on moving. Just keep on moving. You can't get a corporate job in Nasarawa, for instance. How many companies are there? It's that you're going for a state or ministry job. And if the job comes your way, fine. But if it is not coming, I'm advising every graduate. I'm not a motivational speaker. Nothing that motivation will do for you at this time. A journey of 1,000 miles, begin with your transport fare. You need transport fare. Don't be reading motivational books at all. So one author is telling you will get that job, and you read that book, you went to your bed, you will get that job, that for 2 years. And before you know, you are 31 years old. Without working experience, who is going to hire you? Unless maybe you have a connection, that's when that one will work. Even people with experience are still struggling to get a better job, not to talk of those that are at all. So please take, not just any job, take a job that you know that it's okay, that comes your way, just manage it. It's all about time. And I believe that as you're listening to this and you're going to take a step, you will definitely succeed. Thank you, bye, good night.